TRX software can be used to communicate with, set up, and download data from SmartReader plus data loggers using the IC102 USB interface cable as previous versions of TrendReader software have done. Start the TRX software. Click the Communications button. The IC102 should appear as an icon under the connections grid on the left. Plug the cable into an SRP logger. Click the ACR IC102 VCP tile and then click the Scan for SRP icon that should appear along the top of the screen. Click the Loggers button in the top left corner. The SRP logger should be displayed in the Loggers panel. Clicking on the SRP icon displayed will allow you to access the various settings and controls of the SmartReader Plus logger. You will need to click Unlock to adjust logger settings in order to make any edits or changes. Clicking the Setup tab on the right side of the screen allows access to enabling and disabling channels, selecting the sample period, delay start, memory wrap or stop when full. Clicking the Real-Time tab will display the SRP logger's real-time readings in a graphical form. The Configurations tab allows you to change the equations used on each of the data logger channels. The Alarms button allows you to set the alarm dial-out settings for the SRP logger as per previous versions of TrendReader. Calibration settings are accessible by clicking the Calibration tab. Once all changes are made, clicking the Apply Settings and Restart Logger button will clear the logger's memory and put the new settings in memory. To retrieve data and have it graphed, click the Get Data button. The data will be saved in the new DLF4 file format. TRX can open the legacy DLF files from the previous generations of TrendReader 2 and TrendReader 3 programs, but the new DLF4 format cannot be opened by the legacy TR2 and TR3 versions. TRX can convert the legacy DLF files to the new DLF4 format by saving any opened legacy DLF. All ACR Systems products come with free technical support for the life of the product. Please visit acrdatasolutions.com for more information and videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for visiting ACR Systems.